Hey yo, CEC, you know me here then. I really don't know what we're gonna do, but right now I'm gonna be playing with some slime. Satisfying slime. Be fun. That's my nail polish. It also has hairbands and sand and glitter. Sand. But I don't really know what it has in it. Oh, but because I didn't make it, but it's very sticky. There's definitely a hairband on this. Let me show you guys what the heck. Those are my favorite little blue ones. I don't know why I got it made me mad. Because look. Ow, it makes the slime stretchy. Or that should be a new trend. That is so satisfying, guys. Like, let me show you. How satisfying is this one? It didn't work. So y'all, it didn't work. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna try it again. Because I'm not giving up. I'm a survivor. Back a nice white. Now I have the epi-yo. Okay, let's try this again. See, look. Very satisfying. I like doing those right now. God. One of my favorite things to do is slime now. And it sounded blurry. It's because I had you like on top, kind of like maybe like right here-ish. I have smirky waist. So it's really, so isn't that so satisfying? I like that. This is a great slime. Let's see, it's a slime swirl. It's really runny, I feel like. Runnier than usual, I know. Oh gosh, yeah, runny. Water can make slime literally like so big, and the slime's like not very big. So y'all, if you want to see me get a new package or slime from my friend like have her get it shipped to me, comment down below. Cause like I can get some figured out. Comment down below. Maybe I can slime in a putty, which I can have one of my friends hook me up with that. Yeah, fucking nice. So there's like toothpaste or something to put in this, because I did not make this. I mean, I made it, but I didn't add it, so it smells like my lovely toothpaste. Next, right. Gosh, this sounds like a super family one. And it's very glittery. Look at all that glitter. It's actually not that bad, but I didn't even make this. So if you think it's bad, I didn't even make this. This is mine. Clarify. Jeez, I'm just gonna dump a bit of activator in that. Like, literally, it was just a drop. And if it ever activates, I have to fix it. I feel like this stuff disintegrated, not dissolved. Like, way too much, way too much, way too much. What do I do? Dump. Oh god. So y'all, I just messed up. So y'all, I messed up. Dumped it in the, accidentally dropped it in the activator. So now, squeeze out most of my activator. Add some stuff that makes it kind of sticky. Oh god. I can already feel it forming, but what did I really like? Because so first thing I want to try is this slime. That doesn't work. I want to put all the stops. And I have all the stops near me. Or most of my stops near me. Because some of them are back there, but still. It's a pretty big slime, guys. Let's see if it even still fits in the container. It still fits. One stop. Let's see if this works. Because I can do whatever I want. I paid for some stuff to make this slime. So no one's gonna judge me. Guys, I'm not trying to be, I was just trying to be like, now look at this stretchiness. And I think I'm supposed to be getting a slime that's like maybe like this big. Plus a putty. And Eagle shipping. So if she doesn't get it to me by hopefully tomorrow or Friday, what happened? Because she's in my classroom. I'm just kidding. Okay, this is something on him. If y'all want to know how to do that, I can teach y'all in another video. Comment down below. Hey, drop it low to the ground. Hit it. Go pound, 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 pound. To the ground, 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 ground. Go pound, 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 pound. So if y'all want to see me have a really stretchy putty, it was like this, but like when it stretches, it gets really thin, like that. So stretchy like that. So yeah, that's how I make the putty. You guys are like, you're fast machine. I'm gonna just like this because like it's fast machine. So I was gonna do like this. And like when you click it fast, I'm just like, y'all need to stop the mean comments. Stop the hate and share the love. Y'all give me hate to build up the love. I know, weird, but I like being weird. Because it's me. Because if you're weird, you're you. I'm sorry, John. Ben's cuter. That's basically. Or something. Not a TikTok or a music or whatever y'all call it. Something different. It goes, I'm sorry. It's something I made up with someone. And I'm not saying her name because I don't know if she wants it on camera. But I'm sorry, John. Ben's cuter. So I'm sorry, I was just like kind of going like this. So, do y'all think I have butter slime? Questions. I don't even know if I still do. Let's see. Do I have my butter slime? Do I have my butter slime? Let's check it out. I pulled out 3 stops. Hold up. Y'all. Close them boxes. Might have been like kind of like maybe like this or this. Because I'm gonna show you 2 slimes in a putty. Cause y'all, I was trying to get up on this chair and I was like falling. I was like, ah. Trying to clean things up now just a little bit, not a lot, because this table is really messy. First up, because y'all know I want to start with this putty. Okay, crack it. And kind of like a transparent. Was clear, now it's like kind of clippy and white. So it's clear, turn into white. Just prettiness. I'm trying to get all this glitter off my hands. And if you see this mark, it's because I had like this thingy today at school. So not because I'm in trouble. No. I'm not in trouble, I'm tender. Thinking of Bender. Ooh, 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 ooh. So if y'all think this is stretchy, comment down below. Pretty stretchy to me. Pretty stretchy. No, it stretches over like the cameras. Stretches farther than the wall. Like, I know some of y'all will be like, oh my gosh, she has everything she wants. No. I'm just kidding. I have missed things I don't want. But, yeah, you'll just need to be like quiet. Sorry, I'm not trying to spray. I know I've been like, because I'm actually kind of tired. 8:46. My cat's back there. Wait, look how cute. Why? Okay, if y'all think he's cute, please comment. If y'all think he's cute, leave a like. Big thumbs up for little. Leave a big thumbs up for little buddy. Pookie Bear. Pookie Bear. Go down soon. Y'all are gonna love his face. Pookie Bear. Gosh, that's good. This is mermaid. He's my little kitty twat. He's my little twitty twat. My little kitty cat. He's mine. Mine, not mine. Cause I'm an animal lover. I have 2 dogs and a cat. Y'all wanna let me do like all my things I really like slime, pets, fams, subscribers, like some of my friends that I love. Maybe I'll try to find out you're subscribed. But So yeah, if you guys ever watch my YouTube videos, thank you for watching them. I'm really glad I started the channel. Really glad I started the channel, and you know, things happen like so much to us in the world and change. So thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. I know we're small, but hopefully we'll grow big. And I know, kind of like, I don't know. I know some of you all are like, hey, something. Swag. And I know it's usually not right to say this stuff. And I want to say, thank you. Hi. So, yeah. And these are just some of my slimes. Anyway, sorry if you heard any noise. It was my brother. He scared me. I was like, okay, I gotta do something. And it scared me. So, y'all know I don't like doing so much slime. So I'm really surprised I'm even adding that much. Stretchy. Touch that was ready. So stretchy. It really does feel like slime. So if you get rain putty, silver clear putty with silver foil paint clear at fully detailed muddy and lotion, it literally feels like the best. So just a little tint. I want more tint. Like, guys, y'all don't know. Chloe. Y'all are telling Summer for a story. It was a dream. So y'all, just pay attention to just like 30 seconds more. And they're real pretty. You'll see what it looks like. I was trying to make it like a rose gold or like a rosy silver. I really don't know what I wanted. Anywho, this video's kind of been boring, I know. Just for support range. Thanks, y'all. That sounds so wrong. Anyway, so for bloopers will be at the end now. Anyways, for support range, thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, leaving the like, and hitting the bell. Please keep on doing it. Try to share these videos if you know how to. And thanks for watching. See y'all next time. and make today an adventure. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you all next time. Bye. Peace out.